I don't see anything wrong with get. I don't see anything wrong with being married and having a side chick, maybe outside or something. Men naturally are polygamous in nature. You're not supposed to settle for one woman.
It's not right. It's not right. Men are not polygamous in nature. It's not like you're deceiving him. I'm deceiving him.
I'm deceiving you.
You're deceiving him. Joe, what is men are polygamous in nature? Jesus said, from the beginning, it's one man, one woman. It's men, the divisions of men. God, even in the book of Ecclesiastes, said God has made man, God has simplified man, but man is the one that has made himself complicated.